Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if downloading apps are stuck on waiting in iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to download apps on your iPhone but they are stuck on waiting and you are unable to download them, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check it, and after this go back and then open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then scroll it below and then tap on date and time and set your date and time, and then you have to scroll it below all the way and then you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on get started and reset your network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, simply reset network settings of your device and after this go back and now you have to open iPhone storage and then make sure that there is enough space for you to download and install apps in your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this, and after this go back and now you have to force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to open settings in your device and then go to your profile and scroll it below all the way and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this sign in your Apple ID again in your device. So guys, do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.